Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we've got a viewer request video on how to create shortcuts on your desktop. Now it's a simple enough task to do, but there are some things you want to be aware of. You don't want to have too much clutter on your desktop. Looking at mine, I have a lot of clutter. That isn't good. Do as I say, not do as I do. Also, avoid having actual files and folders on your desktop, as they have to load when your computer starts and it will immediately slow your system down. Shortcuts aren't so bad, they're very small, but actual photos, videos, saved documents, avoid having that on your desktop as much as possible. Have shortcuts to them, that's fine, but have the documents saved somewhere else on the drive. So we'll have a quick look at how to set them up. Now, the most basic one is to get the mouse, right-click somewhere in the middle of the desktop, new, shortcut, and then you can have a URL shortcut, so www.yourwebsite. Click enter and give it a name. Click enter, and there you have a shortcut URL. Now this could be to Google, to your own personal website, your business website. It could be to your emails such as Gmail, Yahoo email, any URL you can easily put on your desktop like that. And you can right click on it and delete as normal. The other way is to look for a program, so you can come again to new, shortcut, browse. Now most programs are going to be in your C drive, either under program files or programs x86. Now the reason why we've got two different ones here, one is for the standard type of program, and this is for a 64-bit program on a 64-bit processor, but you will definitely always find your programs in here. So come down and we'll just go for Microsoft Office 1 and select which version of Office we're using and look for the access.exe file, that's the executable. Click OK, just confirm that you've got the correct file path. Click next, and then you can change the name if you want, or you can leave the default as is. Click finish, and then you've got your shortcut to your Office program or any other program on your system that you found. Again, you can just select it with a single click and press delete to get rid of them. But this is another easy way of doing it. Come to Start, find the program you want in your list, hold down the left Alt key, left click and hold, drag to where you want it to be, release the left Alt key on the keyboard, and then release the left mouse button, and you've got your shortcut on your desktop. There are other ways of doing it. Also, generally when you install programs, it will automatically give you the option with a little tick box saying, do you want to add a shortcut to your desktop and to your start menu? If you have that already ticked yes, that will automatically do it on install. If you've already installed the program but haven't got the shortcut, those are the simple ways of adding it to your desktop. Now, I do hope you found that answered your question and you found that video helpful. And if you did like it, please do give it a good like, comment, thumbs up, and also subscribe. Well, that's it for now. As always, take care. Bye for now.